Those who went to the bush did not save their marriages. Angela Katatumba reveals she didn't visit the bush. Yes, hello everyone, it's your girl Clara Clary. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're yet to see Angela Katatumba revealing that she didn't visit the bush and giving an option, or trying to say that those who went to the bush even cannot save their own marriages. In different countries in East and Southern Africa, women always go to the bush for very various reasons, as we all know. So here we are with singer Justin Nantume trying to question Angela Katatumba as to why she didn't go to visit the bush. So anyway, let's go and see what Angela Katatumba had to reply singer Justin Nantume in the question that she posed to her. Singer and businesswoman Angela Katatumba, however, does not subscribe to going to the bush, as she revealed in a new video clip. In the clip, Sanyuka TV singer Justin Nantume was lecturing Katatumba about the importance of going to the bush, but she said she cannot go through that pain. So the question posed by singer Justin Nantume to Angela Katatumba had to reply and said that while many women are spending their time visiting the bush, she is always very busy making money. So hey, I beg. So anyway, let's just go and see what Angela Katatumba had to say, besides saying that as many women go to the bush, she is so busy making her money and making more money. I didn't go to the bush. How will it help me? Let them go to the bush, as I'm making my money. Those who went to the bush did not save their marriages. They are also crying. Men dumped them, Katatumba said. So Katatumba is trying to point out that for those who go to the bush, you go. Katatumba is very busy making money, and try to say that very many women are there. They're also crying. Though they went to the bush, they're also crying, and they even didn't save their marriages. So she doesn't see the importance or the reason as to why she can go through that pain just because of going to the bush. She rather makes money. She rather make money so that she becomes successful rather than struggling so hard. Anyway, I remain your girl Clara Clary. One thing, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I try to upload any new video on my YouTube channel about your favorite celebrity, about anyone, or about anything that is happening worldwide. So you will get to know what is your favorite celebrity up to and what are they really going through this COVID. So here we are with Angela Katatumba meeting up with singer Justin Nantume, trying to discuss about matters of going to the bush. Anyway, I want you to comment down in my comment section. Try to tell me what do you think about the answer that Angela Katatumba had to give to singer Justin Nantume about her making money, as many people are trying to go to the bush while even they cannot save their own marriages. Anyway, I love you so much, guys. Ciao and bye bye.